The Alfred Karcher company, based in Winnenden, Germany, is the largest manufacturer of cleaning technology worldwide. With over 1,700 patent applications, Karcher is also the innovation leader in its sector. As part of the cultural sponsorship, more than 180 monuments, statues and buildings all around the world have been cleaned for free. This program was developed more than 40 years ago to preserve historic monuments with the possibilities that Karcher has, with the employees, the know-how and the machines. On the facade of the chapel of St. Charles and Hubert. By using the correct method, the goal was to remove only the contamination and not the work is being conducted after a test and research phase and in close cooperation. Thus, it is guaranteed that each object receives the most suitable cleaning method. Were removed chemical-free from monuments and a crucifixion group. Cleaned the crossing tower of the votive church in Vienna with a dry ice blaster. Black gypsum crusts were removed with a low-pressure particle blasting method and was worried how the project would be handled professionally. I have to admit, however, that it was done very carefully and professionally. I was impressed by the different methods used for the cleaning of the stones. With the cleaning projects, Karcher wants to preserve and retain the signature of the original material. Taking care of monuments is of great importance because it preserves their heritage for following generations.